Welcome to Next Level AI Network, where we break down the AI tools giving you leverage in 2026. Most people still believe you need a financial advisor to manage your money. But what if AI can now do the same thing? Faster, cheaper, and without emotional bias? Today, I'm breaking down the AI finance platforms that are changing how people invest, budget, and build wealth. The big shift. Financial advisors used to be gatekeepers of portfolio management, risk allocation, retirement planning, tax strategy. But AI platforms now use real-time data, machine learning, automated portfolio rebalancing, risk analysis at scale. And they don't charge 1% management fees. That's the disruption. Tool 1. Magnifi AI. Magnifi lets you ask investing questions in plain English. What are good ETFs for inflation? What are growth sectors in 2026? It scans thousands of data points instantly. Instead of guessing, you get structured insights. This doesn't eliminate learning, but it compresses the learning curve dramatically. Tool 2. AI robo-advisors, Betterment and Wealthfront. Platforms like Betterment and Wealthfront automatically rebalance, optimize tax efficiency, adjust risk levels, and they charge a fraction of traditional advisor fees. For many beginners, this may be enough. Tool 3. AI budget optimization, Rocket Money. Before you invest, you need cash flow control. Rocket Money finds waste, cancels subscriptions, negotiates bills. Wealth building starts with cash flow discipline. AI removes friction. AI versus human advisor. Let's be clear. AI is not replacing complex estate planning or ultra-high net worth advisory. But for early investors, young professionals, side hustlers, passive investors, AI tools are becoming more than capable. And the cost difference matters. 1% fee over 30 years equals hundreds of thousands lost. AI isn't just automating work, it's automating wealth strategy. The real question isn't, will AI replace financial advisors? It's, will you learn to use it before everyone else? If you want more AI tools that give you leverage in 2026, subscribe.